Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Slack notifications not working. This issue usually happens because notifications are paused, disabled for a channel, or blocked by system permissions. First, open Slack and click your profile icon, usually located at the bottom left corner. Go to Pause Notifications, then set it to pause for 30 minutes. After that, go back to your profile, open Pause Notifications again, and click Resume Notifications. This refreshes your notification settings and often fixes temporary issues. Next, check the channel notification settings for the channel or workspace where notifications are not working. Click the three dots next to the channel or workspace, then go to Edit Notifications. From here, make sure it is set to all new posts. Once that is done, restart Slack and test again by sending a message to the channel. In most cases, notifications should start working again. That's it. We just learned how to fix Slack notifications not working. You can fix it by resuming notifications and enabling channel alerts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial video.